All right, guys. So what I want to give you time for here is time to learn other programming languages besides R. And I just want to give you a feel for what's going on in this. You can do Python in Thought through Canopy, or you can do SAS University. It just depends on what you want to do for a living. If you think you're more data analyst than data scientist, SAS University isn't a bad idea. Some major organizations use it. It's always nice to have. Then you can go out and become SAS certified. Python's more on the database side, data cleaning, data collection stuff. It's more useful in big data systems. For me, since I lean data science, I would have choose. If I was given this choice, I would have chose Python. You may want to choose SAS. Either one is fine. But do me a favor and at least take a look at some of the Python stuff, please. It'll make you marketable. In data science, there's two big things. There's R and there's Python. In statistics, there's SAS and there's R. Nothing else really rates. So R's kind of the ones that moves across both. Data science with R and Python, and then statistics with R and SAS. So R gives you the flexibility to do both, which is one of the major reasons we focus on R. The second one is Python's an open source product, while SAS requires enterprise systems. If you run on a Mac, you may have some trouble using SAS just because of what it requires with a virtual machine and everything like that. A lot of companies are starting to move away from SAS. Excuse me, I had something in my eye. A lot of companies are starting to move away from SAS for a lot of different reasons that I don't want to really get into with you guys, but one is the proprietary nature. The other thing is it doesn't actually work like normal programming languages that people are used to seeing. Syntax differs in everything. Python sets up a little bit more like R. The other piece of it is with systems like Hadoop and Spark, which you'll learn about in another class. You have the opportunity to use PySpark or Spark R. So if you know both, you can utilize these big data systems a little bit better. SAS does hook into Hadoop. I'm not sure about SAS and Spark yet. I won't claim expertise in SAS. I've used it, but the last time I used it was like 2007. So it's been a while for me. As you can see, it's not really been relevant in my career because I can do it in R. But it doesn't really matter. You can know one or the other. You can know both. The more software you have on your resumes, guys, the more marketable you are. Because you can walk in and say, yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. Oh, you use this? Yeah, me too. Rather than having to start from scratch. But a lot of companies that are starting from scratch don't want to spend the money that's related to like SAS and Tableau. So I just want to give you that time. The other thing right now is make sure you've been working on your project. Make sure you guys are where you need to be on it. We only got we've got just a little time left in this class. I know it's been quick. But the idea is we want to move through it. And if you guys have any questions or anything you want me to go back over, or something you want me to talk about in any of our online sessions, just let me know, guys. I'm more than happy to help you. Or if there's another video you'd like to see, just please let me know. All right, guys. As always, let me know if you need anything, and hope you've enjoyed the class. Take care.